Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Let me ask you something. What happens when you try to speak English for more than 1 minute? Maybe you stop because you forget a word. Maybe you begin translating in your head. Or maybe you simply don't know what to say next. If that sounds like you, this lesson is exactly what you need. Today we're going to practice speaking English for a longer time without stopping. Remember, fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about expressing your ideas without giving up. So today, don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about grammar. Just keep speaking. Every sentence you say is one step closer to fluency. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. Warm-up practice. Before we start speaking for a long time, let's warm up. Repeat after me. I enjoy speaking English. I practice every day. I don't give up. Every mistake helps me improve. I speak with confidence. English is becoming easier for me. Excellent. Now say all those sentences one more time without stopping. Great job. Think in English. Now let's train your brain to think in English. Don't translate. Just imagine the situation and speak. Imagine you wake up early in the morning. Say what you do. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make a cup of tea. I have breakfast. Now it's your turn. Speak about your own morning routine. Take your time. Keep talking. Excellent. Did you notice something? You don't need difficult vocabulary. Simple English is enough. Conversation practice. Meeting a new friend. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Hello. My name is Daniel. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Sri Lanka. How about you? I'm from Australia. That's wonderful. What do you do? I'm a university student. I enjoy learning English. That's great. I also like learning languages. Excellent. Now let's repeat the conversation one more time. This time, speak with more confidence. Smile while you speak. Ready? Let's begin. Repeat the conversation. Fantastic. Speak for 1 minute. Now it's your turn. For the next 1 minute, I want you to speak about yourself. You can answer these questions. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English? Don't stop. If you don't know a word, use an easier word. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is continuous speaking. Ready? Start now. Excellent. You just spoke English for a full minute. That's real progress. Conversation practice. Talking about your weekend. Now let's practice another real conversation. Repeat after me. What did you do last weekend? I stayed at home. I watched a movie. How about you? I visited my grandparents. We had lunch together. That sounds nice. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I had a wonderful time. Excellent. Now let's say the whole conversation again without stopping. Remember, speak naturally. Don't rush. Don't be afraid. Fantastic. Before we continue, you're doing an amazing job. In the next part of this lesson, we'll practice speaking for even longer. You'll learn how to keep a conversation going, organize your ideas, and speak more confidently without translating every sentence. So let's continue. You're doing an excellent job. Remember, every minute you spend speaking English makes you more confident. Now, let's challenge ourselves even more. Speak for 3 minutes. This time, I want you to speak for 3 minutes without stopping. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep talking. Here are some ideas. Talk about your family. Who do you live with? What do they do? What do you enjoy doing together? Now talk about your hobbies. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Why do you enjoy it? How often do you do it? Now talk about your future. What are your dreams? What do you want to learn? Where do you want to travel? Keep speaking. Don't stop. If you forget a word, explain it using simple English. That's exactly what fluent speakers do. Excellent. Real-life conversation at the bus stop. Now imagine you're waiting for a bus. Someone starts talking to you. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Hello. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. Please have a seat. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Are you going to the city? Yes, I am. How about you? I'm going there too. Do you travel this way every day? Yes, I do. I go to work every morning. That's nice. Have a great day. You too. Take care. Excellent. Now let's repeat the conversation one more time. This time, try to imagine you're really there. Speak naturally. Smile while you speak. Fantastic. Keep the conversation going. Many English learners answer with only one sentence, but fluent speakers usually add more information. For example, question, what do you do? Don't just say, I'm a student. Instead say, I'm a student. I study computer science. I really enjoy learning new things. Question, where do you live? Don't just say, I live in Colombo. Instead say, I live in Colombo. It's a busy city. I enjoy living there. Can you hear the difference? Adding 1 or 2 extra sentences makes your English sound much more natural. Confidence practice. Now repeat after me. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. I can keep speaking. Every conversation makes me stronger. I believe in myself. I never give up. Excellent. Now say all those sentences again without stopping. Wonderful. Today's mission. Here's your mission for today. Set a timer for 10 minutes. During those 10 minutes, speak only in English. Talk about your day. Describe your room. Describe your family. Talk about your favorite movie. Talk about your future goals. If you make a mistake, keep going. If you forget a word, use an easier word. Never stop speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Final motivation. Before we finish, I want you to remember one important thing. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It grows little by little. One sentence, one conversation, one day at a time. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel difficult. That's completely normal. The important thing is, don't stop. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. And trust the process. One day you'll be surprised by how much your English has improved. Before you go, if you've been following these lessons from the beginning, congratulations. You're making real progress, and you should be proud of yourself. If this is your first lesson on Speed English, welcome. This lesson is part of our 7-day English speaking challenge. You can find the full playlist on the channel and practice from the beginning whenever you're ready. And don't miss the next lesson. In the final episode, we'll put everything together in a complete English speaking challenge and celebrate how far you've come. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. Keep speaking English every single day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.